Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to wake up with Spotify music, okay? So first of all, you must go to your Play Store and download an app whose name is Google Clock. I'm gonna write it like this. And this is it. Google Clock is almost the same as you already have on your phone, on your Android. I mean, you have the alarm, the clock, a timer, and stopwatch, and even a bedtime option to set a consistent bedtime for better sleep. But by now, in alarm, when I have to create a new alarm, I'm going to write this time. I'm going to have different options. The second option below schedule alarm, there is the option to modify like sounds, the ones that I have already on my phone, or one from Spotify. But if you have this message couldn't connect to Spotify, please try again later. What you must do is open your Spotify, okay? In order to make that, you must to have those two apps opened at the same time. Once you have done that, as you can see, here I have my current selection, and I can search a new song if I want, obviously. So you can write an artist that you liked, like Gorillaz in this case, and you can choose the song that you want specifically, okay? Also, there you have options that you might like, for instance, or episodes for you. You can even use a podcast as a ringtone. That's interesting. Or recently played. So if you prefer, go to your Spotify, play a song that you like, and then you're gonna find it in your clock as recently played. And that's it. That's how you can wake up with Spotify music on Android.